Having watched these two animations, you'll have a better understanding of what HFpEF means. To recap, HFpEF treatment manages symptoms, focusing on congestion or fluid retention. Fluid accumulation commonly occurs in the feet, legs, or abdomen. Lung congestion leads to breathlessness, coughing, or difficulty lying flat. Exercise may feel difficult, even usual things like climbing stairs. To treat congestion, diuretics, water pills are commonly prescribed by doctors. These tablets remove fluid by making your body pass urine, meaning you'll need to use the toilet more frequently. When starting water pills, monitor symptoms using My Medical Record. Your healthcare provider will recommend daily weighing using the weight tracker. Your weight should start decreasing. If it remains the same or increases, inform your doctor or nurse as your dosage may require adjustment. Track your symptoms using My Medical Record. It's important that your kidneys are regularly monitored through blood tests while your treatment is changed. This will usually be organised by your GP. Some patients can access blood test results on My Medical Record. Dapagliflozin and empagliflozin are new treatments for HFpEF, which can be beneficial in most cases. Ask your GP if they might be appropriate for you. Spironolactone is sometimes a recommended treatment. It helps maintain potassium levels, which are important for people with these conditions. Keeping an accurate, up-to-date medication list on My Medical Record can be really helpful in managing your condition. As shown previously, several chronic conditions can cause HFpEF, one of which is atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation causes an irregular heartbeat. The heart chambers don't contract in sync as they should. This can cause a blood clot in the heart, increasing the risk of a stroke, so blood-thinning tablets will usually be prescribed. To help manage your HFpEF, take your prescribed medications as directed and notify your surgery of any problems. Attend for blood tests as recommended. Reschedule if you can't make the appointment. Give up smoking and reduce alcohol consumption. Discuss strategies for weight loss with your GP. Monitor your symptoms and use My Medical Record. Joining a patient support group can also be helpful. Please see the lifestyle and mental well-being sections of My Condition. The My Medical Record HFpEF site is designed and maintained by specialists to help you to be as well as you can be. Symptoms can change over time despite treatment and monitoring. If this happens, consult the symptom guide traffic light on My Medical Record for instructions on what to do, who to contact and when if you notice changing symptoms.